Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Winter Forest. Today let's continue our Leetcode question. Today's question is called the top K frequent element. And so you will receive an array. It is include the integer, and they ask you take the K most frequent element. So for this question, first I was definitely going to use the hash map. So I'm going to push each one in and calculate each element by how many duplicated. Once I'm done, then I go into, in this question, I'm going to use a heap. So use the main heap. So I'm going to push it in. If bigger than the K, I just pull it out. So it's quite a straightforward question, so we just start write the code. It will make sense for you. Basically, they have not any trick. Just make sure you understand what is the hash map and practice you use the priority queue. It is for the main heap, and you could just use max heap. Max heap are going to push everybody in. Only choose the top K element, but I'm going to use the main heap. We keep pushed in. Once I find the heap bigger than K, we just pull out. So the smaller item we pull out, only keep K element, so I have less space. Now we just started. So we have a map to contain this integer. There will be key value pair in integer. So the key is the value, and the value it is the repetition. I definitely need to push everybody in, so I'll be able to count how many duplicates in there. We just get the default by 0. If we already found it, then we just plus 1. Once we push it, now we need to sort it. Sorting are going to use min heap. So under the namespace is called priority queue. Each entry is a map.entry. So what we push it into the map. Key value pair integer. I'm going to copy paste this in case I type in wrong. Each time you push this into the heap, we're actually going to probably just A and B. We're going to sort by descending order. Oh, sorry, ascending order, not the descending order. The small one will be on the top. A, B dot get value. Now we simply just get everybody from the map and push into the queue. And each time coming in, we just push into the heap. Like I said, we use the main heap, so if it exists, the k element means the top one supposed to pull out. So we're going to just pull out. Once it's done, so the heap only keep k element. It is the top most frequency element what we want. Now we could loop it out, pushing into our answers. This is a shortcut, so it will go in the second k will minus 1 by 1. This is also another shortcut used in here, so we push it, add into the index, then increase the index number. If we then pull out, we only care about the key. Now this while loop finish, this answer it is what we expected, so we just return it. Now just let's run it. Compile map 93 on 93 as a map. Suppose new map, new hash map. Now just test it, see if I have other syntax issue. Yes, I have. Non-time. Sorry, here is called map interest set. I don't know why here. Cannot find the symbol dot get key. He Sorry. I don't think this read it because I definitely only push the key and this is supposed to capital letter K. Only push the K element in, so it suggests it have a K element run the code again. Now we just submit it. And it accepted. Thank you for watching.